Hello dear students. So now we are going to discuss MCQ and fill in the blank in trigonometry. So one MCQ, one fill in the blank you are going to get from this. See the first question. The radian measure of 240 degree. See how to convert radian to degree, degree to radian. That is also very important thing. Usually they will ask the questions. So 240 degree is given. If you want to convert this degree to radian, remember you have to multiply pi by 180. So 0 0 cancels. So 6 3s are 6 4s are. So 4 pi by 3 is the answer. So if you observe here, it is not there. So just make it as a 4. So this will be the required answer. Maybe I have written wrong option. So next question number 2, you can observe. So what they are asking here, if sin x is equals to minus 3 by 5, x lies in the third quadrant, find the tan x. See sin x ka value they have given as minus 3 by 5. Whenever you want other trigonometry value, no, first take the right angle triangle. So no need to worry about the sign. Sign indicates the quadrant. So sin is which side divided by which side? Here 3, here 5. Obviously according to Pythagoras theorem, this should be 4. So they are asking tan. So what is tan x from this diagram? So this is sine, cos, tan is 3 by 4. So third quadrant, we know according to ASTC, tan is positive. So they have given it. So no need to write here minus because tan is positive. So 3 by 4 is the answers. So remember, don't write this minus 3 here. I am again telling this minus is indicating the quadrant. So now what is the range of sin x they are asking? We know sin x ka input value is real numbers. Anything we can substitute. But output value sin is there, no. Always minus 1 से लेकर plus 1 तक we will get. So therefore that is also closed interval. Range is this. See, I will suggest you students that domain and range ka table is there, no. So please do that. Sin ka domain is what? Sin ka domain is real numbers. Range is minus 1 to plus 1. Cos ka domain is real numbers. Range is minus 1 to plus 1. Tan ka domain is what? See, tan x is nothing but sin x by cos x. Yes or no? So here tan ka domain is all the real numbers. Minus we have to check when cos x is equal to 0. Because if cos is 0, function is not defined or not. When cos is 0 at 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, odd multiple of 90. So domain of tan is r minus of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Range is all the real numbers, not a problem. So like this remaining also students please do and remember. If you want cot x we can write it as cos x by sin x. So domain is all the real numbers minus when sin x is equal to 0, that we have to remove. So r minus when sin is 0 for all multiple of pi. So this is the domain of cot x. Range is r. So same you people do sin, cos, tan, cot. Sec also you can check. Sec x is nothing but 1 by cos x. Then all the real numbers minus this you remove. So you will get. So please remember that. So they may ask domain and range of that also. So now after this, going for the next question. What is cos of pi minus x? See, pi means we know 180 minus x. So we know any number always we will express in terms of 90. So it is 2 into 90 minus x. 2 is even numbers. Function will not change. X as it is. So it is 2. Minus is there means no need to go for previous quadrant. So second quadrant, cos is positive or negative? Cos is negative. So minus cos x is the answer. I hope it is clear. So like this small things you people concentrate, you can able to get the correct answers. So observe the next question. Few easy questions are there, no, that I will give for you people. You do it. So this value we can calculate cos of minus 1710. First apply the property. You know cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. So cos of 1710. So now you can apply that methods. So this also you can find 31 pi by 3 means 31 into pi means 180 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 6 are. So you can do this. The relation between L R theta. See, you people know the relation between L R theta. L means length arc, R means radius, theta means angle. So that is L is equals to R into theta. So based on this you practice problem also. Sometimes they will ask for 2 mark. So now I have discussed tan x ka domain. What is tan x ka domain? Again I will explain. See, tan x can be written as, how we can write? Sin x divided by cos x. Whenever students function is in the form of f of x by g of x, no, domain of that function is all the real numbers minus when g of x is equal to 0, no, that case we need to remove. Means r minus cos x is equal to 0. So when cos is equal to 0, odd multiple 90, 270 means that in general we can say 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. From the real numbers if you remove this, so that is the domain. See here they have given radian measures. What is the degree measure they are asking? So 5 pi by 3 is there. So one question we have converted degree to radian. So now radian to degree means 180 by pi, ulta. Pi cancels, 3 ones are 3 6 are. So 300 is the answers. What is cos 3 pi value they are asking? See how to find it. Cos 3 pi value if you want. So what we will do is cos of 3 into pi means 180. So cos of 540 degree. So now you know how to find 540 degree ka value. So 540 we will divide by 90. So 90 into 6. So remainder is 0. So it is cos of 6 into 90 plus 0. Yes or no? So now cos of 6 into 90 plus remainder is 0. So even multiple cos 0. So 6 plus something. So 6th quadrant if you observe 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 second quadrant. So second quadrant cos remains negative. So minus 1 is the required answer. Got it? So we'll continue with the remaining questions. So 11th one you can do, 13 you can do, 12 I will solve, 14 I will solve, 15 I will solve, 16 17 also you can do. Sin x is equal to 0. When sin is 0, I have told you sin is 0, possible for sin 0 0, sin 180 0, 360 0. So in general what we will say, for n pi, n is an integer, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, any multiple of pi, sin is 0. So when cos is 0, you know 90 degree, 270 degree, so on. So it is odd multiple of 90. So we'll denote with 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. N is an integer. Be careful, sometimes they will give in the option n belongs to also. So now coming for question number 12. What is tan 75 plus cot 75? See, tan 75 ka value is 2 plus root 3. And cot 75 ka value is, here I will write plus 2 minus root 3. So this cancels, you will get 4 is the answers. You may ask, sir, how to calculate tan 75? Then how to calculate cot 75? See, you can calculate tan 75 as 2 standard angle का sum tan of 45 plus 30. So like this you can calculate. And after calculation of that value, if you want this cot, you people know how to do that. You can apply the same, or cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So like that you can take the LCM, you can simplify. It is a standard one. Tan 75 is 2 plus root 3. Cot 75 is 2 minus root 3. Got it? So now you people thoda observe here. These 14, 15 I will discuss now. 1 second. See, what they're asking is, what is the value of 1 radian approximately? What is the value of 1 radian approximately? See, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Look here, we know students, we know degree and radian very well. See here, all of you, 1 radian I want. See, 2 pi radian means we know 360 degree. Pi means how much? 180 degree. So pi radian is 180 degree. So 1 radian is how much? So using this relation, if you calculate, that is nothing but this into this divided by this. So 1 into 180 divided by how much? Pi. So it is nothing but 180 divided by pi. Now if you substitute here, 180 divided by pi means we know 22 by 7, or 180 into 7 by 22. So now you can simplify this. So now if you simplify this completely, you will get 57.27 degree. Radian converted into degree. You may ask, sir, option is not available. Students, we know further degree we can convert into minutes. So this is 57 degree plus 0.27 minute. So 57 degree, this degree how to convert into minutes? So we know DMS. Yes, if I go like this, multiply. If I come like this, divide. So now 0.27 into degree to minutes, multiply with 60, converted into minutes. So now you will get the final answers. Understanding? So 57 degree, if you multiply this 16.2, you will get. So approximately we will consider this as 57 degree 16 minutes we will consider. So 1 radian ka value is approximately equals to 57 degree 16 minutes. So like this you can find 1 degree ka also. So same concept we will apply. See, same procedures, thoda change. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ. So 1 degree approximately kitna? We know 180 degree means pi. So 1 degree means how much? So this into this, 1 into pi divided by 180. Again same, pi ka value is 22 by 7 divided by 180, or it is nothing but 22 into 180 by 7. So can you do this? 180 by 7 means 22 into 25.7142857 you will get. So for this, if you multiply with 22, it is nothing but, so big value you will get. So 565 point something you will get. But students, देखो properly. Here I have done calculation mistake. See, after this what? 22 by 7. Here nothing is there, means 180 by 1 is there, that is 1 by 180 or not. So now you will get the correct answer. So this value is 3.142 85714 into, if you go with 1 by 180, that is 0.0055556, it will continue. So finally, so you will get 0.01746. So this is the required answer. So if you know calculation, okay, otherwise note these two, then you can remember. So observe, what is the value of sine 15 degree they are asking. See, it is not a standard angle. If it is more than 90 degree, we can able to find. So sine of 15, if you want, whenever it is not a standard angle, so try to express either sum or difference of the standard angle. So how you can express? Sine of 45 minus 30 you can express. So it is sine of x minus y. What is sine of x minus y? We know sine A into cos B minus cos A into sine B. So like this formula is this. So now sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So it is nothing but root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2, because cos 45 and sin 45 same, into 1 by 2. So if you simplify, root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. LCM is same, 2 root 2. So root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is the answer. Same concept, same procedure you apply. Here 45 minus I have considered, you make it as a plus. 45 plus 30 you will get 70. So just here plus will change. You can try it. Don't copy, just try this. See, another interesting question here. Tan x is increasing function when x ka value they are asking. See, increasing means, students, dekho, from this side to this side, if it is going in uptrend, this will call increasing. From left to right, if graph is going up, it is increasing. So if graph from left to right coming down, it is decreasing. If left to right graph is going up, down, it is neither increasing nor decreasing. So now here, this is one of the graphical method. I will tell you both. See, what happened is, sine ka graph, if you observe, this will be like this. Means from left to right, if you observe, it is increase also, decrease also. It is neither increasing nor decreasing function. Cos ka graph also similar to this. So that is also neither increasing nor decreasing. But if you see tan ka graph, tan 0 is 0. So it is tan 90 degree minus pi by 2. So tan ka graph is like this. So if you see 0 to pi by 2, it is going to be increasing. But minus pi by 2 to 0, it is going to be decreasing. So you can observe. And students, not only here, again graph is like this, it will continue. So what I will suggest another method is, if you know differentiation of the given function, what is tan ka differentiation? Secant square x. Check, dear students, this function is positive in which quadrant? In which quadrant this function is positive? No, in that quadrant the function is increasing. If you want decreasing, check the derivative where it is negative. In that quadrant it is decreasing. So you people know ASTC. So according to ASTC, see here, first quadrant means 0 to 90. Second quadrant means 90 to 180. 180 means pi. So it is 3 into 90. 3 into pi by 2. It is 2 pi. So now tan ka derivative secant square x, that we can write as a sec x ka squares. So check where it is positive. Where it is positive, 0 to pi by 2, it is positive. So it is going to be what? Increasing. And you may ask, sir, tell me, you told first quadrant it is increasing. What about second quadrant? See, it is a square function. It may be positive or it may be negative. Answer is always greater than 0. Positive you will get. So tan is increasing in first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. So here first quadrant is available. That is the required answer. Another thing is, you may ask, sir, why strict inequality? Because students, at this endpoint pi by 2, tan pi by 2 is not defined. That is why. So this is the correct answer. I will give you another example. See, f of x is equals to sin x, where it is increasing. Better go with the differentiation. What is sin ka differentiation? Cos x. Now according to ASTC, check, cos is positive in which quadrant? In first quadrant cos is positive. In fourth quadrant cos is positive. So it is positive in both quadrant. So it is increasing in that. Where it is decreasing? Decreasing means negative, you have to check. Where it is negative? Second quadrant, third quadrant. So it is decreasing. I hope the concept is clear. Sometimes endpoint function is not defined. Always use strict inequality. If strict inequality is not available in the option, go with this. Okay. So these are the some questions you need to concentrate. Thank you, students.